Well, I want to let you know that Earth Day is coming up real soon, and in anticipation of Earth Day 2019, and in an effort to clean up the South Bronx, Third Avenue-149th Street, community members are hosting an event called Make Every Day Earth Day. Here to share more about the upcoming event are organizers of Make Every Day Earth Day. We've got featuring our BronxNet reporter, my producer, Sanji Lopez, co-founder of Paralegals for the Community, Rachel Batista, and Manny Ortiz, representing Jonathan Ortiz for Congress. And welcome all to the show.
Thank you, Daren.
Good. And so we talk about this. I know you're on the other side, right? So I'm going to give you
am.
the first word. How's it feel?
Why you do that to me, Daren?
I know, right?
No, it feels great. So Make Everyday Earth Day was born out of the spirit of cleaning the community and making sure that the community is involved in keeping the community clean. Third Avenue, 149th Street. I was just walking down the block one day and got inspired to just put a band of people together. And fortunately, Jonathan Ortiz, who's running for Congress, backed us up, and so did Paralegals for the Community, an amazing small business in our district. And we're just banding together to get the community involved.
And talk about this, Al. You know, Paralegals for the Community partnering, but honestly, 149th Street, a huge area, very heavy traffic, and definitely a lot of stuff to clean up.
Yeah, so having a small business in the heart of the Bronx has really exposed us to what's really going on. It's a very congested area. There's hundreds of thousands of people that are walking there daily, and you really have to witness it for yourself to understand the severity of the problem. There is garbage and debris everywhere, and we're cognizant of the fact that there's a lot of people. It's gonna happen. But we wanted to take a stand and say, it's going to start with us. We want to set the example. And what better way than to honor it with Earth Day, right?
Right.
So we are encouraging small businesses to join us. It is this Saturday, 12 to 3, right?
Yes.
12 to 3. We will be cleaning up the neighborhood.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jonathan and I, we pass by there every single day. Some of us work there, some of us live around there, and we see the garbage that is around Third Avenue and 149th Street every single day. Sometimes I get off the train station at nighttime, and I see all the mess that's around. So with this event, we want to inspire people to keep our neighborhoods clean and just be part of the change, and not just make Earth Day one day, but make it every day.
Every day.
And just keep our neighborhoods clean, and just, you know, we have tourists and we have people who visit the Bronx all the time, and we want to give them a great impression of who we are.
Right. Now, Sanji, before people want to join, right, and take part in this, because it's not, the three of y'all can't. I mean, I'm sure you have skills.
We're trying.
Right. But I'm sure you can use more people, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely. So we're asking anyone who wants to volunteer to email either myself. We can put up the flyer right now. You guys know how to do that upstairs.
It's coming
You
right
can
now.
email me. You can email Swanee or Rachel, Elaine, or Jonathan Ortiz, and you can get on board with us. Hit us up on social media, and you know you can join us. Another thing I wanted to add, Daren, is that we want to let people know that some of us are not conscious of the fact that we litter, and we want to kind of like educate the community on not littering, which that's part of the problem as well.
A huge problem. So best wishes to you guys.
Thank you, Daren.
Hopefully get some more help.
Yes.
We want the community coming out and be a part.
Yes.
Thank you so much. All right.
Thank you.
Well, listen, now we've come to the end of our show today. We want to thank all of our guests for joining us, and most of all, you, the viewer, for tuning in. Now, guess what? If you missed any part of today's show, you can catch the Recablecast at 5 and 10 p.m. on Optimus Channel 67, Verizon Fios Channel 33, or watch us anytime on the web at bronxnet.org. Special shout out to all those watching on MNN. Give a special shout out to my sister Erin and the family, all those who watch on the MNN channel as well. Listen, that about wraps it up for us here on the set of Open. I'm Daren Jaime. Make sure you keep this channel wide open. Don't forget about Earth Day. Do your part. Take care. God bless. We'll talk to you soon.